Hello guys, welcome to GhanaToday TV, and once again I am Nana Kofi, here to bring you trending and exciting stories on social media. So yes, Kennedy Osei, son of Kwame Despite, or Osei Kwame Despite, and CEO of Despite Group of Companies, is trending all over social media. So apparently today is his birthday, and then he won in teachers or Gina Nyankasa. No Gina Nino, uploaded this video on social media. I just on a wife or more tree or more yes, they are dancing some beautiful erotic dance be actually. Just say yeah, or more many papa. Yeah, no, upload in a Ghana phobia, especially Ghana girls be. Aqua church or see a comments and they say, oh God, me too when. God please, I want this one some. God please, me too, I want a rich man's son. I say no more your comments nasi. Boys being to say, God please bless me, let my hustle pay off so that me too my son will enjoy life like this. And beautiful girls in Kwan. So yes, that is what is trending all over social media, and I had to bring it to you. You get it? Because we all know that the Kenzie 2020 happened early this year. I just saw my wedding. Now wedding ni you see a BC wa Ghana da. Si can be any money, but I wedding be say that. Share now wedding a cast ye preferable chance and Babylon or Ghana. Wedding no car be a Ghana be and sis our wedding as a car no see and for one preferable chance but straighter. Sis our wedding nasi. Now wedding nasi dear. Share penny crochet. Cast a cast. Suit. Just say African wear, papa be. I know me now. Just say wedding day a genie, papa. It was everywhere. Their wedding was everywhere. There you can see his wife, beautiful Tracy. Charlie, girl, no chap, uniska on home. We say the Charlie Slim Things, papa. So yes, that is what is trending all over social media, and they are still trending these days. So much photo and so much video kits every day. The two crampona massa like so much social media, and especially Instagram now. It's very serious. So yes, there you have it. So please do also subscribe to GhanaToday TV and also leave your comments in the comments section below. Yes, so here is the video. Watch it and enjoy it.